Welcome to the First Year Experience Facebook private group page. This course will expose the first year students to all industry segments in the supply chain from concept to consumer. This will enable them to start formulating their academic path, keeping their individual career goals in mind. Each assignment is designed to build upon and integrate the material covered in the previously discussed topics. This will reinforce the student's understanding of the fundamentals taught in each area of the course. All aspects of this required course include course segments that will incorporate the following key objectives: research, technology, teamwork, critical thinking, presentation skills, and ethics. Within this Facebook First Year Experience group page, students will be pre-selected to discuss a hot topic. This will be the assignment that we're focusing on in this particular page. The hot topic will focus on the fashion business. This assignment will run through the entire semester with 3 students posting each week. The hot topic should relate back to the key topics discussed by the professor for their pre-selected week. In the Facebook group, students will post information gathered from a recent publication or any type of recent event perhaps that's going on as well, as long as it relates back to the fashion business and the fashion industry. Students are not allowed to post about the same topic. So it's going to be very important that students are engaged in the page, looking at what their classmates are posting to make sure that we're having a lively conversation and there's new, fresh information that's being posted. Students that aren't posting are required to comment on at least 2 of their classmates' posts. So as you can see on the page, if we scroll down, we'll see that there are some posts here. Here's one example that I actually posted. It was about a free Louis Vuitton exhibit that was going on until January 7th. And you see that I've posted an image here, I've added an image, and then there's the option here to add a comment. So this is where a student could add a comment about this particular exhibit. Perhaps if they have gone, they can talk about it as well. They can also upload their own images. So the purpose of this page is actually to talk about the curriculum that we're discussing in class, but to also keep the students engaged. This is a first year experience course, so many times the students don't know each other. This is a great way to get to know each other. It's not considered a social page. It is focused on this one particular assignment, but it's a great way to start interacting with one another. So I look forward to seeing you all in this particular class. I hope you're excited about it, and I think it will be great. Thank you very much.